It's important to drink water these days, especially during a pandemic. Water is crucial to the functioning of the organ systems throughout the body. Plus, it's why they build urinals and stuff like that. That's why I remembered that I hadn't drank water for I can't remember how long ago the last time I actually drank water. Sure, there's water. There's 40. Most of it is water. Malt liquor. Without fresh brewed water from the land of the sky blue waters, you couldn't have Mickey's malt liquor for crying out loud. But anyways, as I was loading up the wood stove, because it's cold, I said I better turn on the old time clock. There it goes again. And, well, because I haven't drank water in such a long time, figured I'd bust open into this Dr. Pepper. Remember, drink water. Wow. It's pretty good. I also have a cherry cola. Gonna save for later. But now, to drink some water, mixed in with this malt liquor, well, it's made out of mostly water. It has alcohol in it. And it's a Mickey's, and it's in a 40-ounce glass container. Shout out to Mr. Rainer and J45. Just watching some vids. Now I gotta drink some malt liquor to catch a malt liquor buzz. Ain't that right, cuz? Ah! Well, a snack I forgot. Shit. I was thinking about making myself a baked apple. I got these old apples. I keep rinsing them off. They still haven't turned mush. They've been in there forever. Anyway, I was thinking about making a baked apple for myself. Right? Plus, baking an apple sure gets that apple scent up in the air, you know. Malt liquor. I was watching some King Let's Go. Let's Go, man. The other day. Remember that one dude, Wolfman Grim Reaper? And I came across someone did some farty film for fucking Moses Law 69 and Snowman 22. Farty film. Shut up. Freedom 40, that's 40 years in 3D. And whatever the Timberland. Timbers. MLVs. Remember that one dude? the fuck was his name? Chili Palmer, Motivator, and Connected 510 and Crazy Legs, Humphrey Bogart. That was that Indiana Maltz. A Patriot I was watching the other day. You kidding me? Fucking deer got COVID now. I wonder if fucking earthworms got COVID. Fish, maybe. Stuff like that. I remember I came across these deer antlers. I picked them up, cut them up. I picked them up and cut them up. Oh, it's old time clock. Went through it, cleaned it out, got the spiders and dust out, and it's working. Missing a couple bulbs. I got the housing case for it, which makes it look even cooler. But it's loud, obnoxious, and keeps time though. I mean, if you check it, it's right on the minute. It's mechanical, it's not digital. It's got these like metal plates. It's gonna hit 40 here any second. It's like military time stuff, like a punching clock. Got to do some more research on it. I can't remember where I bought it. $2 maybe. I got this other thing from the county. Way back, 1856, I think. It's one of them stamps you use for the county circuit court stuff. You stamp stuff and make it judge worthy. Well, I found that sticking out of the dirt. This old farm place down the road. Bought that for just $2. It's Art Deco. Seized up, but it still got the stamp on there. I think I could stamp my own shit from now on. Get out of county. The stamp, you're like, get out of county for free. Stamp. There you go. I got one of them. Anyway, I just got out of county. And that's what made me think about water, because you don't get water, nothing there. You don't get bread. All you get is leftovers from the homeless people. Yeah, they know me well at the county. Can't do nothing in there now. You gotta sit there and meditate on top of the blanket. You can't fuck around in there now. It's no fun like it used to be. Christ, they used to let you out, run around, do your laundry at the laundromat, smoke cigarettes, go to the grocery store, work at the county museums even. Make pants out of old rugs on the looms, huh? The old ladies up there. Clock tower place, yeah. Order pizza from Little Skeezers. All that good stuff, huh? It just happens. Used to be this one old room in the county museum there, barber chair. This one kid, it's like, I need a fucking haircut. And he had these like buzzer things. They weren't buzzers. They looked like a buzzer tip, but you had to like go like a scissors, and it was like before motors, I guess. So we crossed the line. He said, "Get in the barber chair." I jacked him up there on the old foot jacker thing and raised him up to the level, and I started cutting his hair because I told him I knew how to cut hair, but I didn't. I was bored. Said I did. Cut his hair and turned it like shit, and he looked funny, like. But I did it on purpose. Later on, we got in a fight, and I gave him a black eye. But he came at me, bro. We were on this old town hall painting we were tarring the roof up there. And we got down, and for some reason he wanted to start sparring off on me. So he came at me, bro, and I popped him one right in the fucking eye. That was the end of that crap. We had to explain later why he had a black eye when we got back to the sheriff's, to the jail, county. And he said, well, I accidentally dropped a paint can on his head when we were climbing down the ladder. And they bought it. But they knew what was going on. It was whiskey. Shit. Cigarettes. Used to get so fucking cigaretted up in them goddamn counties playing blind man's bluff. Well, nicotined up. Cribbage. Spades. Oh, hide and seek and shit like that. Wrestling and boxing. They started giving each other's tattoos with burnt plastic and fucking ballpoint pens and old staples, and I said, fuck that. But one big guy, Russ from Menominee, gave himself a big fucking feather. Said, Menominee looked like crap. But he did it. I don't know what he was in for. Burglary? Theft? Anyway, I used to wrestle that big guy. I'd put him in a headlock, and he's like, you're a tough little guy. I said, you better shut your fucking mouth before I shut it for you. And we'd start fighting. This other guy would be like, breathe. Because I'd never breathe when I was punching, because I said, I don't got time to breathe. This other guy smoked so many fucking roll your own buglers. Every fucking finger on his old clutched hands were yellow with nicotine stains, and he always reminded me of some old decrepit Napoleon stuck out on Treasure Island when they killed him with the poison. Old Raggedy. But, I used to wear a pair of briefs on my head and stamp him with a towel when he wasn't looking. Blind Man's Bluff was a rough game in the county. This one's like a Planet of the Apes jail, God. But anyway, those days are gone. Bourbon Street, Hollyville writing books and shit. People running around with COVID. Oh, fuck. You're gonna let me out early one day. I better hurry up. Get some water. Well, there it is. I'll see you in county.